Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to customize your Google Chrome dashboard colors, well, on Google Chrome, of course. So open your Google Chrome browser right here, and if you want to change it up, you want to spruce up your Google Chrome browser, you want to click on the upper right corner. There's the three dots, or if you hover your mouse, it says Customize and Control Google Chrome. Clicking on it, you want to hover to near the very bottom under More Tools. So if you hover your mouse on More Tools, you're going to have an option that says customize Chrome. There we go. It's the second option. So when you click on it, this slide down or slide from the right is going to appear, right? So you can change your theme, right? You can change your theme, or you can just change the colors. So as you can see, this is the colors we have. So you can change that. There we go. This is our normal stuff. You can change whatever, right? Or you could even have a custom color picker here if you want. So after that, you don't really need to you just need to close it and it'll already be automatically set. And after that, you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.